Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. This is going to be another draw with me, sketch with me, just me talking as I have some things that I'm sketching in the background of this video. It's gonna be drawing, girls typically, I'm curious, why is it that most artists, or currently all artists these days, just draw women? I don't know the answer to that question, but I'm curious as to why. Yeah, I will say it sort of bleeds into the fact that sex does sell tremendously in this circle of the internet, especially if you're an artist. Dare I say, fast track to being successful is to just draw girls, but I'm doing that anyway, and still a long ways for me to go. Honestly, for me, the issue is just uploading. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit lazy, and but I'm almost done with the script for the artist analysis. So when I'm done with that, I'm gonna do the voiceover narration. And then the editing. Oh boy. See, now I think I mentioned this in a video previously, but it doesn't escape me on how to be successful. Honestly, I could do artist analysis for all the artists you guys tell me to look at, and if I do them, I know it'll be a fast track for me to get to at least 10K, like before the year ends. But I can't do that. I'm not gonna do that. Why? Because it's my channel, and two, the editing aspect of it is a lot, like, it's a lot more than I feel like most people realize it to be, because not only do I have to know this artist, their style, the things they've done. Oh my god, if you could hear what's going on outside, I'm so sorry. It's pretty late and I thought it'd be quiet, but no, things just has to be happening outside. But for making an artist analysis video, I do have to be looking at things like the pages that they've done, some nuances in their style, and I don't want to really repeat things that I've said in previous videos, so I try to find ways to switch it up. I want the things that I say to correlate, I want the things that I show on screen to correlate to what I say, and this whole editing aspect, and yeah, and that takes time, because well, of course it does. That's a whole lot, and I have to look for the panels. I have to edit the panels sometimes. It's just, believe me, it's a lot. And again, doing just that would be a fast track for me to be successful right away. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm going to take the long, hard, slow, and steady way. And for any artists out there, or that's watching this video, if you want the secret to being a successful artist that's not starving, that's getting money from the art, the quickest way is to do well, I'm pretty sure you guys know this, but things like not safe for work, furry stuff. Like, I'm curious, like, does any artist really not know what it takes? I think most artists, like, holds no illusion to not to know what it takes to be successful. Like, you have to be good at what you do, sure, but it's also what you do, and I would say how frequently and consistently you do it. Because I can't upload a picture of rabbits anthropomorphized at rabbits and expect the subscribers and my following count to increase. Like, no, I have to do it good, frequently, and I'll expect it then the numbers will follow accordingly. But again, the problem with me is that, one, I'm not going to do that because I'm a bit too prideful. Two, I don't know how to do anthropomorphized animals, except maybe Sonic. I know how to draw like the back of my hand, because prior to doing this anime painting semi-realistic art style, I drew Sonic, and Sonic was the one thing that I loved to draw. My god, I should go back to doing some pictures of Sonic. from childhood. He was always more. I always related to him more than Mario. Mario, to me, just had no personality. It just bugged me. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, being successful artists and doing things to be one. I do hear that drawing girls, like Pinterest girls, is another way to fast track your way there. And again, I am sketching girls right now, but these girls are sort of, drawn from my head. And I think the reason why I do that is because I have yet to draw. I don't personally think I draw attractive females. I think I'm still working on that. I think sometimes, well, for me, the way I draw females is a bit too masculine. I have many times when someone saw the picture of a female I drew and thought it was a dude with long hair, and I'm like, damn, I need to work on that, don't I? Because I don't know. I think it's an unwritten rule in how effectively you could draw a beautiful woman is sort of like quote unquote. It's not official. It's sort of like a testament to your skill as an artist. Personally, I do think that's a bit of hogwash, but again, it sort of goes into the topic of are you successful because you're a good artist, or are you a good artist because you're successful? It's sort of, I think it goes a bit hand in hand with that type of spiel, but trust me, go out and see most of the art community and see the one thing that you draw frequently, and it is females. So make what you will of that. So, but hey, I'm doing it too, and my subscriber count is growing. I'm just not doing the necessary things to make it grow because I'm a bit lazy. And to be fair, I'm doing this recording at 9:37 p.m. because I really need to find time to upload a video. Because if I don't upload the video in 2 weeks, I swear YouTube is going to punish me for taking my sweet time uploading the next video. It doesn't help that YouTube also tells you, rates your videos in accordance to the last 10 videos you made. That is so mean. But I guess it does help in motivating you to always push out quality videos. Issue with me is that I have a problem with quality and consistency, because I am sort of working two jobs. That's my main deterrent, I think. Just working so much drains me when I get back home. So after working my 4 to 8, I then go to my 9 to 5, and then I go to the gym, and then I have to think about doing a YouTube video. Nah, I need to go home, relax, eat something. And it's funny how I say that, but I still managed to do 15 artist analysis through sheer will and effort. So they're coming. They're definitely gonna come. Just it's gonna take a lot more time than these type of videos. These videos I could just draw and then have my mic and have Audacity, and I could just talk, and there's the video. But again, these videos, they're easy to push out, but I don't think they're the quality type. The videos that you guys want to see. I know what you guys want to see, without a doubt. I also played a bit with live streaming, and it's getting better. I think live streaming is sort of working out better for me recently. I just need a more reliable internet connection, but I think that'll come with time and experience and maybe tech. Again, I might also try streaming on Twitch. Twitch is an avenue that I'm curious at looking at, because I have a lot of my friends say that you should try streaming on Twitch, but we'll see what happens. I do have a Twitch, but please do not follow me there. Not yet, at least. And don't follow me on my Patron yet either, because I'm still not putting enough exclusive content there yet. So yeah, okay, I reached about 10 minutes talking, so that's my cue to stop talking, and thank you for watching this sketching video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. As usual, the artist analysis should be coming out. Well, it's definitely coming out this month. Relax, but I need to upload more videos this month. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
To be found, I'm here around in front of me. That's where I found. I never take glass, reflecting that's a truth.